Hello and welcome, Caravan Salon, and this is the Ilusion 690 motorhome XMK 690. Cost 82,385 euros, 7 meters long. Let's have a look inside. Come in here, very bright. First thing I notice is how bright it is. That is a bed which is in the roof, and we've got these blue airplane lights. I'll get my words all mixed up. Maybe I should start again. So this is the Ilusion XMK 690 and it's 7 meters long. Look how light it is in here. Now you might think that looks a bit sterile or a bit like a hospital, but I think when you're in a van, there comes a time when you like to have a lot of light. Well, at least I do. Anyway, this has its German layout at the rear, and here, see, this will come out like that, and we'll have an infill somewhere to put down there to make an absolutely enormous bed. The storage at the back, which I shall demonstrate. There you go. That is for the rear light. Not rear light, sorry. The rear camera. Yeah, I'm not on film today. Actually, though, I have been filming now for about 3 hours. That's probably the reason why, for my lack of performance here. Window on either side. We've got this up here above it. You know, I'm always complaining about not having storage where storage could go, and this is an example where we'll be complaining as well. Up here, I think this is space for the television. I think that's the objective of the exercise, but I'm not absolutely certain. I do note, however, that there is this 12 volt connector and appears to be something for the antenna next to it. Antenna, satellite dish, sorry. In my day, we used to have televisions had antennas. Got all this storage under here, and we can of course access this via or lifting the bed up, or did you see that? So I lifted the bed up. There you go. There's the proof that I lifted the bed up. Or we can get in through here like that. There's the bit for the bed, the infill, and through here got storage. Put things through there. I don't have a problem with that one like that, actually. That I do like covers on things, but in that case it doesn't bother me too much. And more storage here, also of course accessible from the top as well. You can see storage at the back there as well to get use of space, really important. Coming into the shower, what I don't like is the size of the drainage, but what I do like is the depth. Now this mightn't be to everybody's taste, but if I can get a bit of water in there and then give my feet a really good clean, what I do at the moment, I've got a bowl, stick my feet in there. In fact, I've got a basket for carrying. I know basket sounds as though it's full of holes. It's a basket for carrying, designed for washing up and things to hold in. But I use it now for my feet. So I sit on the toilet and get my feet clean after I've been out cycling. Lots of light in here as well, very attractive. And above it's sort of storage behind the mirror, and we got this here, which is a sink. There's a place for your towels, although here that could do with either being higher or a net in front of it. Kitchen is very attractive in my opinion with these. This front. And here we find 3 burners. This is the fridge, which opens both ways. And if you sleep with your head at this end, you see you'll be able to just reach around and get your beer out and continue drinking without the inconvenience of having to get out of bed. This bed up here drops down via this here. You stick your key in and press this and it comes down. we've got here the Ilusion system, so controls here. We can put this on, and so it's you can configure it to your own, what you want yourself, and allow ignorants to access. Or maybe I shouldn't allow somebody else to access. But anyway, this is built by Avicon, and this links all the functions of the motorhome into one control panel, but also a control panel that can be operated at a distance. So if you wanted to turn the heating on or something like that, you can actually do it. Now, if this is integrated when the vehicle is actually built, that's really positive. You can also the systems, Revotion, for example, makes a system which is integrated wirelessly. So that can even be put in as an aftermarket. So that saves you having lots and lots of panels. You know, even sort of Concord, even Morello vans, you've got like 5 or 6 display panels there, which might even get confusing. It's all in one place. You can do all sorts of things with it. Okay, so I'll there. I didn't want to start telling people, okay, and then allow the access, okay. And here, so you can see what's going on with your batteries. You can see how much fresh water's in there, how much grey water's in there, and all sorts of other things. Heating, there's the temperature. Lights you can control from here as well. You can control how much how strong it is, and things of that nature. Anyway, that gives you an idea of that. Lightweight table on a stalk that will go up and down, and in here we've got more storage. Let's come out. Built into the door is of course a fly screen. That is for the fridge, and here, if it's open, we've got the garage. Oops. So, largest garage there as well. And let's have a look in here. Gas cutlet. Door's got a bin in it and a window. So they make less than 1,000 vehicles a year, but it does have its own distinctive style about it. So that is the Ilusion XMK 690 motorhome, 7 meter class. Thanks very much for watching. All the best from me in Germany.